Customers call, one after another. Instead of a warm, professional greeting, they hear something off, confusing, generic, unpolished. Some callers might ignore it. Others, they hesitate. Doubt creeps in. Can I really trust this business? Like it or not, first impressions matter. And over the phone, they're everything. So why leave it to chance? With KrispCall, your business sounds exactly how you want it to. Clear, professional, and inviting. Let's set it up. First, log into your KrispCall account or sign up for one if you're new here. Once in your dashboard, go to Settings and click on VoIP numbers. Here you can claim your free phone number or purchase more as you require. Now go to your required phone number settings to add professional greetings, voicemail, and recordings. Follow the process as shown to activate voicemail and customize the audio. Let's begin with Call Menu IVR. For text-to-speech, type your custom greeting message. Choose the voice you prefer, the accent you need, and give it a listen.
Hi. Thank you for calling. Press 1 for sales, press 2 for support, and press 3 for billing.
For custom recordings, just upload the audio file. Save the changes and it's ready. Now scroll further to the Greetings and Recording section. Create a custom welcome greeting. Type your message, choose your preferences, and give it a listen.
Hello, welcome to KrispCall. This is Robert. How can I help you?
Or upload a custom recording. For voicemail, hold and transfer. The process is the same. Once setup is complete, don't forget to save the changes. Your business voice, your way. Set the right tone at KrispCall.com today. Log in, set up, and make every call count with professional greetings and recordings.